Do you ever wonder if project management is your cup of tea? Does it suit your professional growth? Then, you have come to the right video. We all are managing some sort of project on daily basis. It could as simple as buying a car, or launching a new e-learning website. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to achieve a particular aim in a certain duration. Project management demands both hard and soft skills to efficiently manage a project. Hi. My name is VJ, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we explore that who should study project management, and why. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. If you want to execute these projects efficiently and successfully, you will need some sort of project management knowledge. Depth of project management knowledge would depend on the size and complexity of the project you're handling. Before diving into deep, let's first understand why someone should study project management. Project management skills are high in demand worldwide, and the field is booming. By 2027, the project management-based jobs are expected to grow by 33%. It means 22 million new project management job openings are anticipated through 2027. So, if you're interested in becoming a project manager, or want to develop your professional career in project management, then you should seriously consider learning about project management. To learn professional project management, you can join several project management courses. Project management courses are designed for the person who seeks to develop his or her skills in managing projects. There are several tools and techniques for structured planning, how to manage change and risks, and how to manage stakeholder expectations. There are plenty of options available. The question is where to start? And it will depend on the current status of your professional journey and aspiration. The below guideline is going to help you on where you can start your project management journey. If you are a student and pursuing high school, then the best place for you to learn are through online courses. You can go through YouTube and another web portal. There is plenty of valuable information available for you to grab. Check our Projects Mind YouTube channel for free project management tutorials and videos. All you need is a little bit of dedication and discipline to accomplish your goals. If you are a high school graduate or diploma holder, then the best way to learn is through certified training courses. This could be of online or offline mode. You can refer to online courses at YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and another web portal to have basic knowledge of project management and its application to various industries. If you are pursuing a bachelor's degree holder or just freshly graduated from college, then you should get enrolled for a certified training course to learn the basic concepts of project management techniques, processes, and tools. The best way to gain knowledge at this stage is to join an internship or apprentice job on small projects. If you already graduated and looking for entry-level job, you may join a certified training course with accredited certification. A well-known course from an accredited organization will help you to gain exposure to the professional project management world. You may also evaluate the option of pursuing a full-time or online university degree course in project management. At this stage, the focus should be on learning advanced project management tools and software which helps the team to resolve project problems. Working on medium or small-size projects helps a lot to test your expertise and gain confidence. Finally, if you are a graduate or postgraduate with significant work experience, then your first place to learn project management is working on a full-fledged project. To get an opportunity to work on the project, you will need to prove your project management knowledge. This you can achieve through professional certification like PMP, APM, CAPM, CSM, CPMP, and so on. You may pursue a specialized university course and learn about industry-specific project management methodology and techniques. Also, you can pursue doctoral programs to get deep insight and expertise in project management. Irrespective of wherever you are on your professional journey, you will need to continuously learn new techniques and upgrade your skills. Project management is a very dynamic field that constantly deals with various types of complex projects. Many managers and industry-specific leaders find themselves working as project managers without having any prior project management certification or degree. This is because different business has a specific type of project management practices. Such type of project management requires business-specific knowledge as well as skills to manage project work. Without preparation or training, these can seem like daunting tasks. And yes, anyone can learn the project management if they like. And if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.